Welcome. In this channel, we explain automotive terms. Safety organizations have different methods of testing vehicles before assigning their ratings. The two main players are the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. NHTSA started wrecking cars in 1978 to test their performance during frontal impact crashes and later added side and rollover crash tests as well as lists of recommended safety technology to its new car assessment program. Ratings are given for each test as well as overall, with 5 stars being the top score. 90 to 125 tests are conducted annually on high-volume models that are new or significantly updated for a given model year. NHTSA's tests are performed by several independent facilities located around the United States. One of these is Calspan Corporation, an engineering and research firm based in Buffalo, New York. Calspan's 58,000 square foot test lab features 2 crash halls and is used to test everything from production cars and prototypes to motorcycles and heavy-duty trucks. An insurance industry-backed non-profit organization, the IIHS conducts its own series of 6 crash tests on over 100 new vehicles each year. Ratings are good, acceptable, marginal, or poor. Other factors, such as the effectiveness of a vehicle's headlights, the ease of using child seat anchors, and the performance of safety systems such as automated emergency braking, are factored into a vehicle's overall score. The IIHS's highest rating is Top Safety Pick Plus. To earn it, a car must score good ratings in all 6 crash tests. These tests include driver side small overlap front, moderate overlap front, side, roof strength, passenger side small overlap test, and head restraint crash tests. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code eraser by clicking the link here or at the description link below. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.